Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by isolating the problem. First, identify whether this is hardware or software. Once done, make sure to back up keyboard settings and note your layout and language. Next, disable accessibility features like sticky or filter keys because they can alter repeat behavior. Reboot into safe mode and test typing. If the double letters persist, hardware is likely. If it stops, proceed to software steps. These initial actions save time and pinpoint whether to open the case or update drivers. Now focus on software diagnostics and precise adjustments. Start by updating or reinstalling your keyboard drivers and any firmware available. Drivers often fix spurious repeat signals. Then change the key repeat delay and repeat rate in your operating system. Longer delay reduces accidental doubles. While doing that, test with a different keyboard or USB port to separate hardware faults. Also run a quick malware scan because some utilities can inject input. Once these changes are applied, test typing for consistent results before moving to hardware fixes. For persistent double letters, perform hardware maintenance. Power down and clean around keys using compressed air, then carefully remove keycaps to clear dirt and sticky residue from switches. On membranes, try isopropyl alcohol on contacts sparingly. On mechanical switches, consider replacing worn switches or lubing stabilizers. Reassemble and test thoroughly. If internal repair is impractical, use a high-quality external keyboard or USB adapter as a reliable workaround. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, record a short video of the keystrokes to show a technician the exact fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.